What if creativity was no longer a solo effort, but a powerful partnership between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence? For years, artificial intelligence was seen as just a tool, efficient, powerful, but separate from the creative spark that defines us. Today, that narrative has fundamentally changed. We've entered a new era where human insight and AI don't just coexist, they collaborate. This is human AI co-creation, a transformative model where judgment, imagination, and experience are amplified, not replaced, by intelligent systems. Across industries, this shift is already redefining what's possible. Leaders leverage AI to explore strategies faster and further. Designers work with AI to create forms and experiences never imagined before. Writers, architects, and innovators co-create with AI, expanding the very horizons of creativity. The goal isn't automation of creativity, it's the elevation of it. The real question was never if AI would influence creativity. It was whether we could learn to partner with it. Organizations that embraced co-creation move faster, think broader, and innovate beyond what used to be possible. This shift isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans with machines. Two forms of intelligence, each strengthening the other, working together as never before. If you're curious about the future of innovation, leadership, and creative strategy, subscribe for more insights into human-AI collaboration. Like this, if the future of co-creation speaks to you, and share it with teams building what comes next. The future of creativity isn't artificial, it's collaborative. Welcome to the era of human-AI co-creation.